As we see in the video, in which we have find that there are several elements which are common in post short story, like horror, gothic, destruction, and death. And here I am talking about the theme which is common in his short story. And he has written several short story like The Fall of the House of Usher, The Gold Bug, The Telltale Heart, The Corvette Letter, The Cast of Amontillado, and The Black Cat. Theme of post short story: insanity versus rationality. The insanity inflicts the main character in the story to commit the acts that they do. The story Telltale Heart is start with true nervous, very dreadful nervous. I had been and am, but why will you say that I am mad? It shows the insanity of narrator, that he is made in his insanity, that he want to kill eye of old man, not old man, but because of old man's vulture eye, he killed old man. And for example, in the Telltale Heart, it is the madness of the narrator that allows him to murder his beloved employer, irrational desire for killing. The actions that Montresor committed against Fortunato are beyond barbaric. Here talking about the short story, the Cast of Amontillado, in which Montresor invite Fortunato on Carnival festival, and the festival is mainly considered for the merrymaking, and in which Montresor give lots of wine to Fortunato, and in the graveyard he built a wall in front of Fortunato, and he want to give a painful death, and because he want to happy, and he want to be happy with by doing this. The post-rational character who are capable of consciously setting aside their own emotions in order to logically solve their problems. For example, in Corvette Letter, that Dupin is the detective of post short story. He has detected a letter which is stolen by D, and he think like a thief, and therefore he is successful in the detective of letter. Second thing is man's relationship with death. Death often realizes the theme as he is sinner. In the Telltale Heart, the narrator has killed old man, but he ever realized that he is a sinner. He don't want to kill the old man. He is loving too much to old man, not to precious thing like gold. And heartbeat of old man is ever give him a realize that he is a murderer. And death is overpowering on human mind. Victims are the protagonists of post short story. Death characters are somewhere the relatives, like in Telltale Heart, the narrator is employee of old man, and in the Black Cat, the cat is his pet animal, and his wife, whom he killed, is also his wife, so they are relatives. Due to murder, alive has to suffer. And in the Black Cat, the narrator has murdered a cat and his wife. But he always realized that he has murdered, and he is suffering from that. And that character becomes ghost-like figure in the mind of a person. Next thing is double self. The use of literary double or doppelganger is a common theme in works of Edgar Allan Poe. Poe approaches the concept of a double self in two ways: destructive model, as the characters are dead, and receptively. a struggle between the two sides of the character, in which only one side can be the victor and other side is victim. The battle, but his victory becomes at the cost of his soul. The second model of split identity is best characterized by C in Corlett later, who is able to reconcile his two sides successfully, as he want to revenge with Mr. D, but he find a letter as he is not taking revenge, but he has the intellectuality to find a letter. And the plots in the stories such as the Cast of Amontillado, Licia, and the Fall of the House of Usher revolves around the conflict between a protagonist and his alter ego or double side. Next theme is love and hate. This theme was taken from the Freudian theory, the psychological complex of two opposite emotions, love and hate. Both are the universal emotion, and explores the similarity of love and hate in many stories, especially in the Telltale Heart and William Wilson. In the Telltale Heart, the old man and narrator both are loving, but he killed for the sake of I, and love for himself and hatred for rival. Both protagonists are particularly detachable because they involve in the death of someone whom they fondly love. The Telltale Heart, the narrator tells the reader how he loves the old man but hates his vulture eye. Next thing is darkness of human nature and reality. Humans are not ready to accept reality, as they have narrator or someone have murdered someone, but they are not accepted as they are sinners sometimes. Victims are the protagonists of post-short story, as I have earlier described. Evil of mind is ultimate reality. Evil of the character are not present, but the evil mind of the Edgar Allan Poe is revealed in his short stories. As in the Frankenstein, monster is created of Victor, but we cannot say that Victor's evil mind is represented in a monster, but it is the mind of Mary Shelley. Negative side is suppressed. Low mentality of people, power politics, and big mindset. One has to think like a thief. In the Berloet letter, Dupin is successfully rejected the letter, and he is intellectual, but he gets the letter, and police has not get it because the police think like his own principle. He has detected everywhere, but he don't get. In the Telltale Heart also find that police are everywhere search, but they don't get, and at last narrator has confessed that he is a murderer. The concept of humanity darker side can represent a source of empowerment and liberation. Was not unique to Poe. The Black Cat perhaps examines the dark side of humans most effectively, as it involves sadistic actions and evil murder. Next thing is the power of death over the living. Poe often gives memory to the power to keep the dead alive. In the Black Cat, the Poe has murdered his wife and Black Cat, but he ever comes dreaming him at the night that he has murdered someone, and he distorts this otherwise commonplace literary theme by bringing the dead literary back of life, employing memory as the treasure that reawakens the dead, who are usually human. Like for example, post-short story is Licia and Lady Rowena. Licia is a wife of narrator, and she is dead, but a narrator is not escaped from his wife, and his second wife, Lady Rowena, is also sick mystery by the Lygia. The memory of the dead shows the power of love to resist even the permanence of death. For example, in Black Cat and the Telltale Heart.